Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to easily make payments to your Bank of America credit card online. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Bank of America online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up. Once you're logged in, look for the Transfers tab on the homepage. This is where you'll manage your payments. You can transfer funds directly from your Bank of America checking or saving account to your credit card. Just select the account you want to use and enter the amount, then hit Submit. Alternatively, if you want to set up recurring payments, use the Bill Pay service. This lets you automate your credit card payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. You can set it up from your Bank of America accounts or even from accounts at other banks. After setting up your payment, make sure to confirm the details. You'll receive a confirmation notification to let you know your payment has been processed. And that's it. Making payments to your Bank of America credit card online is a quick and hassle-free step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.